Hey, how's it going, Ira? My name is Jesus, and you sent me a message through Facebook and wanting some more information on SEO and kind of how to outrank your competitors. And so the purpose of this video is just kind of to show you some tips and tricks on how to do that. So without any further ado, let me just get straight to it. Actually, let me tell you first and foremost that thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to actually watching it. But without further ado, like I said, let's get right into it. So the website you gave me, I went on ahead and plugged it in to my into my computer. And just looking at it, I just want to tell you that this picture right here just gives me a sense of home. And I really appreciate how simple this website is. Google, honestly, if I'm being honest with you, does not care how user-friendly or how pretty a website looks. All they care about is the content and the keywords that are related to that content. Okay, so you being in the home care services here, I'm actually going to highlight this. Highlight all your words here just to kind of see where you're at with your word counter. I'm going to clear this here, start this again, and you have roughly 715 words. All right, so an authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on their landing page there, so you're not too far behind. I would definitely include some keywords that are associated to your business, like home care services in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, which is kind of the larger city that is right outside Coconut Creek. I would include whatever it is that you offer. Definitely use that as a keyword and then put Fort Lauderdale, Florida, seeing that it is bigger. Okay, so let's see. As I said, it's a super clean, super easy website to navigate, and I definitely appreciate that. And as I Googled home care services in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, which I said is the larger city right outside of Coconut Creek, in between. What was that? Yeah, here. Boca Raton. Nice. All right. So, as I Googled that, I noticed that you weren't in the Google Map Pack area. And so there's three things that I'm going to talk to you about today, okay? Before I go on any further, I completely forgot to mention it. So the first one was content, which we did go over, okay? The second one is backlinks, and then the last one is citations, okay? So we're going to just kind of, as I said, as I Googled home care services in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I did notice that you weren't in the Map Pack and you were not anywhere in the organic section, okay? So this could be the reason why you were wanting to see more customers, kind of more traffic towards your website, is because you're not being found in these areas here. Now, the way we do that is with backlinks, okay? So I clicked here on the website of your first competitor here, Advantage Home Services, and I plugged them into this tool. All right, since I'm in the industry, I am paying for this tool, but there are other tools out there that are completely free that you can use. All you would have to Google is keyword finder, backlink finder for free, things like that, and it can show you kind of the same thing that I'm seeing here. Okay. So the first thing I want to show you is I even have yours pulled up over here too. Okay, so I can see the number of backlinks, your referring domains, the number of organic keywords, which you do not have any. You do not have anyone viewing your website, roughly anyone viewing your website per month, which is bringing you no kind of traffic value. Okay, now if we look at your competitor here, the Advanced Home Care Services, you can see that they have less backlinks than you, but they have more referring domains than you are. Okay, so the reason that these guys could be outranking you is because their referring domains are a lot more relevant than yours. Okay, so not all backlinks and domains are created equal. Okay, so what referring domains are just a fancy word for other websites that are pushing traffic towards your website. Okay, so that other people can see it. As I said, that not all referring domains are created equal. If your referring domains have like food in them or just things that are not related to your niche, it's not going to bring you as much power as others that are like home care service blogs, home care directories, places like that, right, that are more relevant to your niche. So these guys have 24 organic keywords, okay, and I'm going to take a look at that really quick. Okay, let's see. So home advantage, home health, Home Care Services, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That's a big one. See right here. Let's see, Advantage in Home Care. Let's see, Home Care in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Home Care. Yeah, it looks like they're wanting to kind of get everywhere here. Boca Raton is right there. So I would just go in here and get any keyword that your competitors are using and put them onto your website, right? To ensure that you're ranking for those keywords as well. I didn't, as we looked at yours, you had 0 organic keywords. Okay, now these guys are getting roughly 19 people to visit their website per day, which is why they're ranking so high, and vice versa, right? Which is bringing them a good amount of traffic value. So can you imagine the amount of calls that you're missing out on? Look at that, $155. And it looks like it went up probably because of me. And then, so what I would do is just get back into these referring domains and look at each one that your opponent has their website on, and put yourself in there too. Some of these do require you to pay. Some of them do require you to get a subscription or to create a profile with them, and they'll allow you to put your website on there. See, as you can see, health, medical, health. So these are all great. Look, caregiver. So these are all great referring domains. So I would definitely put these I would definitely have you put your website in these domains as well. And then the last thing I'm going to talk to you about are citations. Okay, so citations are basically any form of directory that your business can be found on. Okay, so the more citations you have, the more likely you are to end up on this Google Map Pack here. Now, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, that this is where all the traffic goes to, okay? This is where all the money goes. Okay, so if you're found here, I mean, I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I'm Googling a place, say if I'm back in my hometown in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm Googling for like tire repair in San Antonio, Texas, I'm usually going to click the first one that's here on this list, right? I'm not going to go down here and go to page 2, rarely, right? There's even statistics that say that only, that 73% of people don't go onto the second page of Google. So you would definitely want to rank here at the number 1 spot, and you would definitely want to rank here in this Google Map Pack. Now, the way you do that is by listing your business, your address, your name, business address, your telephone number, your website in a list of directories. Now, your directories can be anywhere from white pages, yellow pages. You've got Yelp, you've got Home Advisor. All those are a bunch of directories. Now, depending on the amount that your competitors here have, I would one-up them, right? So if they have anywhere between 100, 200 citations, I would want to one-up them to 250, almost 300, just to ensure that I'm able to keep this number 1 spot here in the Google Map Pack, thus bringing you more customers, bringing in more revenue, and allowing you to just keep this number 1 spot here. The backlinks is what gets you here at this number 1 in the organic search section here, but I didn't see your competitors here either, so this would be kind of easy for you to rank for in the Fort Lauderdale area. So kind of just going over what we talked about: the content, making sure that you have relevant keywords according to your niche, making sure that you have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your landing page. The second one is backlinks, ensuring that you have more backlinks, quality backlinks, just like your competitors here, ensuring that your referring domains are quality as well, that are in the home care blogs, home care forums, places like that, right? Referring back to you, pushing traffic towards your website. And then citations, making sure that your all your information, your phone number, your website, your address, the name of your business can be found in a list of directories. Okay, so you're probably wondering where you go from here. Now, you could definitely do all this yourself. More power to you. It does take some time and some research, but if you find yourself in lack of time or just not interested, you could definitely reach out to me as well. This is kind of what I do for a living, but I love helping people as well, which is why I give you these tips and tricks so that you can do these things yourself. If you find yourself needing help, please contact me, reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Facebook, and we'll see where we can go from there. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a good day, Ira.